Alright, 22 is approaching, you guys. Here it comes. Coming off of a long delay for Amtrak due to the freight trains. Honking at Massachusetts. It'll be nice if it honks up here too. 22 should be rolling into stassney now. It's going super fast, so like way up here just 22 is approaching now. 62 is rolling in right now. It's moving super fast. Yep. Here it comes. Here comes Amtrak. There goes the northbound Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 pulling into Austin, Texas now after a long delay because of the freight train traffic. There is a northbound that's behind them, and then I have to leave because there is nothing else to do until then, until anything else shows up on the map. So stay tuned for my rail action at McNeil Junction this afternoon. Bye bye.